Greetings webmasters, welcome to the Untitled Market CodeCanyon Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. Save up to 60% off. CodeCanyon is one of my favorite marketplace to buy plugins and apps. For those of you that have followed my channel, you know I make a lot of reviews on plugins and tools from CodeCanyon. This is absolutely my favorite marketplace to buy plugins. So here are some of the best sellers right now with big discounts. We got plugins for web scripts, WordPress, mobile apps, even games. Currently right now there are over 700 items during these Black Friday Cyber Week sale. Let's look at some deals right here. We got the Booklet Pro. I made a review video on this a while ago. Great plugin for scheduling appointment. On sale right now, $62, which is $27 off. Great for doctors and dentists or any business that requires appointments. It's very professional. And now let's check out Ultimate Membership Pro, another popular membership plugin for WordPress sites. 50% off, 31,000 sales, almost 5-star rating. A very high quality plugin for WordPress. Some social marketing tools for WordPress, 50% off. Form builders, sliders, WooCommerce add-on for extra product options, 50% off. And here's one right here, a very popular plugin, WordPress Automatic. I reviewed this plugin many times. Currently right now 50% off. Take advantage of this for building automatic WordPress sites. This is one of the best plugins for that purpose. Highly recommend it. Mailster, a book email plugin for WordPress, 50% off. So many good deals, so many popular plugins. This is green pop-ups. I also have this plugin and I also made a review video on this. 50% off to make beautiful pop-ups with all kinds of advanced features. Highly recommend it. Here's an interesting plugin, 3D Flipbook for WordPress, turning your pages into lifelike page flipping. It's pretty interesting for magazine sites. And here's MailWiz, a PHP email or bulk email app. I also have this and I also made a review video on this. You can use this to start your own Aweber or GetResponse service or email marketing service. Very jam-packed with advanced features. Almost a perfect 5-star rating. Can't go wrong with this. Also highly recommend it. Ultimate Affiliate Pro for setting up affiliate system. One of the best in the market right here. And that's the end of the first page. So many good deals, so many plugins. So take advantage of this while the deals last for only a limited time. Will end around Cyber Monday. Thanks for looking. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more upcoming internet marketing deals. Thanks again and happy shopping.